Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Today's video I will show you how to remove stand from acer monitor. I will show you easily. It is difficult to take the computer monitor with the stand when moving house or when taking the service center. It is difficult to take the monitor with the stand. For this, it is necessary to open the monitor stand. Many people don't know how to open and install the monitor stand. Today's video is for them. First of all, place the computer monitor on a flat surface like this. It works best if it is on a table. In that case, place the computer monitor stand outside the table like this. And here you see the lock. You will press the lock, look like the tools, and it will remove from monitor easily. You look here, this is lock. If you want to install, just press it, it will set it. And if you want to need remove, you press, look like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.